back, everyone. I'm Gone in 60, and today is just a short video, just a comparison of the two Broncos that we have, the two-door versus the four-door. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Well, here's a pretty good comparison. I just wanted to give you a side-by-side to let you see the difference. The four-door Outer Banks, now these are both non-Sasquatch, so that's regular ride height on the four-door. The two-door has the Ready Lift SST 2-inch lift kit on it. If you look at the wheel well and the hood height, then you can tell the difference between the two. Didn't want to go much more on Mrs. Gone in 60's two-door. It won't be off-roaded that much. The four-door will be off-roaded more. But curious to see, take it out to Hidden Falls and see what it can do. Now, this was a order that someone backed out of, and that's how I was able to get it. It's kind of peculiar. They did not order a rear locker on the two-door. The four-door does have a rear locker. Now, I like the stance. I like how it came out. I think it's pretty, looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty amazing. I'm happy with it. But the, like I said, we'll see how it does off-road without that locker. I'm sure it'll be able to, handle most instances. It's like I said, it's enough. I didn't want to have to replace control arms, so that's why I went with a 2-inch lift. I was told that I'd be okay with the factory control arms with a 2-inch lift. Anything higher, then I would have to replace those, and that's about $1,800. So what's next? Well, the two-door just got a Ford Performance tune on it. My tuner finally came in, so that was installed, and also an AFE dry filter. So we're going to do some testing on that. And as far as the four-door goes, it already has a JB4 tuner on it, so we may run it against the 2.3 liter with the Ford Performance tune to see how they do. There is a vinyl kit that's being installed on it as we speak. And I know that was short but sweet, but this is the difference right now between our two Broncos. Now, upcoming videos are really going to test the performance from these tuners, so don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon.